Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Yoshi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a large curve over to the left and back around, leaving it open on the right side. Now top in and let's draw two curves out like this for the nostrils. Now we're going to hop on top and draw the eyes. On the top right, let's draw a large bump up and down. And then let's hop over and let's draw another one on the left side. Now inside for the eyes, let's add a bump at the top on the left. Now let's do the same thing on the right and bring it down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now top inside this eye and let's add a large oval towards the left. And then another one inside. And then one more inside on the top right. And color the pupil in black. Now for the left eye, let's add a bump up from the bottom and down. And then the same thing inside. Now let's add an oval. And color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's continue the shape of the head. On the right side, let's draw a curve out and bring it down. Then at the bottom, let's curve it over to the left underneath the snout. Now top inside and let's add a curve. And then on top, let's bring it up and over like this. And then on the right side of the head, let's add some spikes. Let's start with a point near the top here. One going out on the side. And one more underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath on the right and let's draw a curve down and out. And then on the left side, let's do the same thing, but longer. Now let's hop in and let's draw the arms. Let's start with a small curve inside. And then a longer one underneath. Now from the top line, let's bring it out. And add a bump down for the first finger. Now let's add another bump next to it. And then one more to close off the hand. Now let's hop out on the left side and let's draw the other arm with two curves out. Then for the top line, let's bring it out and add a bump at the bottom. And then two more bumps for the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and continue the body. From the top, let's draw a large U-shaped curve down and back up for the saddle. And then on top, let's add a bump in on each side. And then connect it with another large curve down. And then a bump across at the top to close off the saddle. Next, let's hop underneath the saddle here and let's draw a curve down on the left and another one on the right. And then close off the leg with a curve across. Next, let's hop back up next to the saddle here and let's draw a curve up and out for the tail. Then let's curve it back down and in underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw the pattern on the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curve down to the arm. Continue it on the other side. And then continue it on the right side of the leg out to the tail. And lastly, for the main part of the body here, let's add some more spikes. Under the head, let's add a V-shaped point. And then 2 more. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Underneath the leg we drew earlier, let's draw 2 curves down. And a curve across. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a bump down. And then for the front of the shoe, let's draw a large bump up and down on the left. And then close it off at the bottom. Now underneath the shoe, let's draw 2 lines down. And 1 more line across. And that's it for the first leg and foot. Now let's add 1 more behind. On the left, let's draw an angle down and curve it back in. Then let's add another bump down underneath and curve this in as well. Now for the front of the shoe, let's draw a large curve out and curve it back in underneath. And then let's add the sole of the shoe by drawing a small line down and curve it back in. And that's it for Yoshi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!